Precision meets efficiency in machine operations, but when it comes to arm extension speed, how do manual crank cantilever racks compare with motor-driven ones? The key difference is in how they are powered. Manual racks use human effort. Motorized systems use a gearbox that controls torque and movement. So, how do they actually perform? Our motorized cantilever racks use a 0.37 kilowatt gear reducer with a 1:50 ratio. With this setup, it takes just 6 seconds to fully extend an arm that's 800 mm deep. This speed is carefully designed, fast enough for efficiency but slow enough to stay stable and safe. Surprisingly, manual crank models can also extend 800 mm in 6 seconds. This matching speed helps avoid delays or bottlenecks. In short, both systems are designed to stay in sync with the speed of modern machining while always putting safety first. That way, material flow stays smooth and operations stay reliable.